In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable screensaver on Samsung phone. So if you want to conserve your Samsung phone battery and you want the battery to really last long, you don't need to use screensaver, and in most cases always on display. So these two features can make your phone look beautiful, but they can also drain your phone battery easily. So if you enjoyed this video, you are able to turn off the screensaver on your Samsung Galaxy phone, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to disable or turn off screensaver is go to your phone settings. When on settings page, just scroll down and click on display, select the display, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on screensaver. Under screensaver, you can see I have the photo set as my screensaver. If you have the photo table set as a screensaver or photo frame, all you just need to do to disable the screensaver or turn off screensaver on your Samsung Galaxy phone is choose none. Once you selected none, then you can just hit the back button and then go back to your Samsung phone home screen. Then you can be guaranteed that when your Samsung phone screen is off, your Samsung phone screensaver will also be disabled. So this is how you can easily turn off or disable screensaver on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.